This is Banjo unboxing a Banjo DS. Now, I also had a PSP for Christmas, just to let you know. I got this. You gotta just love the PSP. Better games for it. We'll start making reviews of game reviews now. So yeah.
I love Christmas.
Oh, let's unbox this. Let's see what's in
This one
here.
Christmas time of year. Time for fun.
The jumps. This in here is jumps. See the jumps?
Uh-huh.
You got this.
Oh, really? I thought it was a guitar, no?
And this is the guitar.
Oh, so it's got both.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
This is the disc game. There's more.
There's more than that? Wow.
Yeah.
You'd be a good salesman, dude.
He's doing his unboxing.
See? Look.
Like
You
Billy
put
Mays.
this. See, comes a Guitar Hero.
Cool.
You like it?
So this is Band Hero.
Cameron, do you like the background on this?
That's it. So Mom, what you have to do is put this. Oh, you're gonna have to put this on here. Because
Are you still unboxing or are you done unboxing?
it's still unboxing.